Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, woke up at 0300, made some coffee, put the trailer on the hook and off I go. Yeah, it's a little bit of an adventure today. Yeah, this trip is gonna take about 5 hours each way, so basically I'm gonna drive for 10 hours today. Yeah, let's see what this adventure is gonna take me, and let's see what I'm gonna buy to the boat today. Yeah, it's a 5-hour drive, so I'm not gonna show you that, so see you when I get there. Yeah, I started out at 0300 this morning. My clock is now 1945 and I went on a road trip, a little shopping spree, and I don't know how many kilometers I've driven and not even how many hours, but 03 to 1945, it's quite a lot of hours. So at least now I'm back home, and maybe you can't see what it is, but I'm gonna show you that tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. The goal was to get this into the workshop today, but no, I'm tired. So that one we're gonna look at tomorrow. See you then. Now I'm gonna go lay on the sofa and just try to sleep. Yeah, there it is. The original Perkins engine. That's in an Albin 30. I have the same in my boat. Now I have 2 engines. This one is supposed to leak water in the water pump. And yes, there was water in the oil. So I'm gonna try and fix that. So yeah, but even if I don't get this engine started, what I paid for it, yeah, let's say I have to use the generator from this engine as a spare part, I have broken even. So yeah, I have a couple of generators, starter, heat exchanger, a lot of stuff I can have as on spare parts if this engine is too damaged, but I don't think so. Yeah, I'm gonna try and start this thing up, but not today. I just got it in the workshop and it's insanely heavy. I tried to figure out how heavy it is. My scale only goes to 300 kilos. That one maxed out, so it's more than 300. I tried to read about it, or yeah, I see numbers between 450 all the way up to 750 kilos. So yeah, I will try and figure this one out. Yeah, the engine is an Perkins H6354. So if anyone knows how much this thing weighs, so yeah, please let me know in the comments. Let's see if I can get a picture of it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there you have the engine model number. So if you know how much this thing weighs, tell me in the comments. I really like to find out, because it has been a real pain to move this thing around. I've used 2 of this engine lifts and that small, I don't know what it's called in English, but traveler. And yeah, even with 2 of these and a traveler, it's been hard. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do, as you saw on my workboard, we have a fuel leak, and let's see. That fuel pump is leaking on the engine that's in the boat, so I'm gonna take this fuel pump, put that in the boat, put the one in the boat on this engine, and then restore that one. Yeah, hopefully my fuel leak is fixed. Oh yeah, it's not fixed yet, but I have the parts for it, but yeah, now it's evening, so see you next time.